Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix media keeps stopping error on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot icon and then click on reset app preferences. Now click on reset to confirm and after that go back and click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating the software your issue will be resolved. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.